Have you ever felt like your traditional bank just doesn't get you? Are you tired of long queues, hidden fees, and limited online access? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of digital banking and exploring a bank that's shaking things up, Starling Bank. Starling Bank is a mobile-only bank that's revolutionizing the way we interact with our money. It's designed with convenience, simplicity, and transparency in mind. So, if you're ready to ditch the traditional bank and embrace the digital future, let's get started on your Starling Bank journey. Step 1. Download the app. The first step is to download the Starling Bank app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. It's a quick and easy process that takes just a few minutes. Step 2. Create your account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be guided through the account creation process. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Step 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Starling Bank will require you to verify your identity. This can be done in one of two ways. Video ID. You'll be asked to record a short video of yourself holding your passport or driving license. Document upload. You can upload a photo of your passport or driving license. Step 4. Set up your Starling card. After verifying your identity, you can order your Starling debit card. The card will be delivered to your address within a few days. Step 5. Fund your account. To start using your Starling account, you'll need to fund it. You can do this by transferring money from another bank account, using the faster payment service, or by depositing cash at a post office. Step 6. Explore the Starling app. Now that your account is funded, it's time to explore the Starling app. You'll find a range of features, including real-time notifications. Stay up to date with your transactions. Spending analysis. Track your spending habits and identify areas where you can save. Savings goals. Set aside money for specific goals, such as a holiday or a new car. Fee-free international spending. Enjoy low-cost transactions abroad. Customer support. Get help and support from Starling's friendly customer service team. Additional features and benefits. Starling Spaces. Create virtual pots within your account to save money for different purposes. Starling Kite. A prepaid card for children, allowing parents to teach their kids about money management. Starling Business. A banking solution for small businesses. So, there you have it. Opening a Starling Bank account is a simple and straightforward process that can provide you with a convenient and flexible way to manage your money. With its innovative features, low fees, and excellent customer service, Starling Bank is a great choice for anyone looking for a modern banking experience. Are you ready to make the switch to Starling Bank? Download the app today and start enjoying the benefits of digital banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.